The Macau Government Tourism Office launched the Quality Tourism Services Accreditation Scheme in 2014 and told us the following about the program. The purpose is not only to define service quality standards for the tourism industry, but also to encourage and support the industry to enhance service culture. It also wants to recognize tourism merchants and practitioners who provide outstanding services and implement excellent service management. MBTV talked to 2016's laureate Cotai Travel, and Ken Yip, representing the agency, shared some thoughts about winning both the Star Merchant Award and the Service Star Award for inbound service.
喺去年我哋知道旅遊服務之星包括埋旅行社呢個行業之後，我哋就立即參加咗，因為我哋覺得可以得到旅遊局提供俾本地旅行社一個指標。關於點樣可以提高呢個服務質素。今次我哋好榮幸得到旅遊服務之星嘅獎項啦，包括得到埋稱心服務團隊獎。咁對外方面係可以好有效咁提供品牌形象以及知名度。咁對內方面，我哋同事嘅努力得到認同，尤其是得到旅遊局嘅認同，係對我哋有好大嘅鼓舞。得獎之後，我哋會繼續提高我哋嘅服務質素，希望我哋個品牌喺對我哋海外宣傳會得到更加大嘅幫助。
Another agency receiving high recognition was HN Group Limited, which was also awarded in 2016 with the Star Merchant Award and with the Service Star Award for inbound service. Joana Teresa Nunes, representing the group, told us about the importance of this distinction.
It has been an honor and encouragement for us to win the Service Star Award. By winning this award, we gain more confidence in our words and can assure ourselves that high standard service that we are providing to our customers. Through this program, I believe that not only our company is learning, but the whole industry as whole will gain something. Our company is a long-established company in Macau. We founded at 1920, and the travel agency department was established at 1947. We are a travel agency and a very long-established company here in Macau. So our mainly business is an outbound business. So we worked very closely to the government, with the government office, and then also some corporate accounts, and then others are the long relationships customers. The reason we want to participate in the QTSAS program is that we believe it would be a good chance for our colleagues in training, thereby enhancing our service quality to a higher level. To participate in this kind of activity is a good experience for our working team. I hope that this program will be a regular event in Macau.
Both agencies were awarded with a trophy and a cash prize of 10,000 patakas as a token of appreciation. According to the Macau Government Tourism Office, this is an effort to cope with the development goal of establishing Macau as the world center of tourism and leisure.